Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampa. Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
शाखों पे पत्ते गा रहे हैं, फूलों पे भंवरे गा रहे,
दीवानी किरणें गा रही है, ये पंछी गा रहे.
वो बगिया में दो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू.
Ay zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampa.
Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampa.
Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
Rim झिम सन 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 हवा, टिप 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 बूंदे गुर्राते बिजलियाँ.
भीगी भीगी साड़ी में यूं ठुमके लगाती तू, जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू.
Ay zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampa.
Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampa. Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. चांद ज़मीन पर इतरा के गा रहा, एक टिम टिम टूटा तारा उठवा के गा रहा.
तेरा अकेली तन्हा मुझे छोड़े आई तू,
जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू. Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampa. Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man.
Zooby dooby pampara, zooby dooby parampa.
Zooby dooby nache क्यों पागल stupid man. Zooby dooby
Dooby dooby
Now let's see the life after smartphone.
She is a fantasy, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh. Sweet as a harmony, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh. Even though she's a mystery, sha-na-na-na-na, oh oh.
Oh, what a change! There was a time when people spent time with families, sharing their problems, sharing meals together.
அதே காத்து வாசம் வேற, அதே மண்ணு வண்ணம் வேற, அதே மக்க வாழ்க்கை வேற, ஒண்ணு மட்டும் மாறவில்லை. மத்த நாட்டு சுவையெல்லாமே ஒத்த வேலை உடைய போல சுத்தமான நம்மூர் சுவையோ ஆத்தா தந்த உசுர போல.
But now, no caring, no sharing. It was a time when the children go outside for playing outdoor games with friends.
வெயிலோடு விளையாடி வெயிலோடு உறவாடி வெயிலோடு மட்டு கட்டி ஆட்டம் கொண்டோமே
But now,
Guria, Didi Sita.
no outdoor games, no physical exercise. Children spend most of the time with mobile phones. Helping others was considered as moral duty.
छटने को है देखो ना वो फटने को है अंधियारा छटने को है देखो ना वो फटने को है एक नए सूरज के पीछे आगे नीचे क्यों ना जाया जाए चलो ना आओ हम सब हाथ मिलाए दिल से दिल तक राह बनाए
What a spectacular performance by our students of class nursery.
Never save water. Water is the basic need of our life. There is no life without water. Water is the precious gift of nature. We all need to save water. We should not waste water in any form. Water, water everywhere, water here and water there. If we do not save it, what shall we drink and eat? So let us all take a vow to save water somehow. Thank you. I'm going to sing the state anthem of Assamoma Prade. Oh, Mura Apunade, oh, Musikonide, Ene Kamula, Ene Kumfufola, Ene Kumoromode, oh, Mukuriama, oh, Mukudima, পৃথিৱীগত বিচাৰি জনন্ত নপোৱা কৰিল পাৰ মোৰ উপজাতাই মোৰ অসমীয়াই চাইবাৰ নহ'লে তোমাৰ আপং পৰুৱা নাই থেংক ইউ
I have four sides. I'm a square. I'm a square. I'm a circle. I'm a circle. I go round and round and round. I have only one side. I'm a circle, round and round. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. I'm a rectangle, rectangle, like a really long square. I have four sides. I'm a rectangle, rectangle. I'm a star in the sky, so far. I have 5 pointy arms. I'm a star, I'm a star. I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm so curvy and so smart. I'm a really lovely shape. I'm a heart, I'm a heart. I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond. You can see me on a ring. I'm so shiny and so bright. I'm a diamond, I'm a diamond. We are shapes. You can see us everywhere. We are shapes.
Guria.
There comes a time when we hear you sad call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life, the greatest gift of all. We can go on pretending day by day that someone, somewhere, this will make a change. We are all a part of God's great big family, and the truth in your love's all we need. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day, so let's start giving. There's our choice we're making. We're standing out on day, so let's start giving. There's our choice we making. We're saving our lives. It's true to make a better day, just you and me. When done out, there seems no hope at all. But we just believe there's nowhere we can fall. Let us realize that a change can always come when we stand together as one. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving. There's our choice we're making. We're saving our own lives. It's true to make a better day, just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
What a touching song it is. I'm getting the
I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy, oh so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Clap, clap, clap your hands. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me. Go. Na na na, I'm so happy. Oh so happy. Sing with me.
that lovely performance by
बंदे खुशबू
लाइनिंग
Okay, give a big round of applause for them. Sorry. Give a big round of applause for them. Okay, thank you. Now, I hand over this time to our principal, Ma'am Swagata Roy, to proceed the program.
तारों से तारों ने पूछा हजारों से सबसे प्यारा कौन है पापा मेरे पापा मेरे पापा
ऐसे नहीं रोते नहीं
जोरदार क्लैपिंग होनी चाहिए परियों के लिए उत्साह वर्धन करने के लिए प्लीज
आपका बेटे का की जान है, इनका प्यार यहाँ की शान है। प्यार अदाओं से वो दिल बहलाता है।
दुनिया में आते जाते वो प्यार लुटाता है।
सागर ने पूछा नैया से, नैया ने पूछा खेवैया से,
सबसे प्यारा कौन है? पापा, मेरे पापा।
पापा तेरे पापा।
चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है?
पापा तेरे
sensory reactions. So बिसोर मा खालामो गावसोरनि सेन्सजों सेन्सरिजों बिसोर सोलोङो गाबनाय गुदुं गुसु मानसिफोरखौ नुनाय मिनिनाय बेजों सोलोङो and from 0 to 5 5 बोसोरसिमखौ मा होनो बेखौ प्रि अपारेशनेल पिरियड होननानै बुङो थारमाने मा बे समावहाय बिसोरो नायै नायै सोलोङो गावसोरो जाहाथे गावसोर कमप्लिटलि गावसोर खामानि मावनो रोंनो गाव हारसिं साननो हानायनि सिगां बिसोरो मानसिफोरखौ नायनानै सोलोङो they learn from others from the seniors बेखौ होनो प्रि अपारेशनेल पिरियड आं दा नुदों this is the school where the age of the students are from say 3 to maybe say 7 years I don't know maybe 7 years 5 years so this period is exactly completely relevant to this period so in this period the students the kids learn from seeing the others seeing the seniors seeing the guardians so learning how does they learn बिसोर माबोरै सोलोङो how the kids learn from the seniors so they cannot learn consciously बिसोरो गावसोरो आं सोलोंसै होननानै सोलोंनो हाया they cannot learn the things consciously they don't understand they don't understand इहुदे बुजि नापाय but they learn how do they learn then if they don't know anything how can they learn so to understand that our brain as sir also told broadly categorized into two parts apart from all the small parts mainly psychologically two parts one is called the conscious brain other is called the subconscious brain and other parts are there but I'm saying mainly two parts conscious brain and the subconscious brain so conscious brain means we can do the things consciously जोङो जिनिसफोरखौ गावनो गाव बुजिनानै मावनो हायो सोलोंनो हायो मावनो हायो consciously and other is the subconscious brain subconscious means we learn our brain learns silently we do not know that they are learning जोंबो गिदिरब्लाबो we also our subconscious also learn our subconscious mind learns similarly in that age from 0 to 5 years or you may say 0 to 7 years or maybe 2 to 7 years